I'm super excited to be filming this video today. So I'm going to be talking about the 8 things that we all do inside of our homes that actually leave some bad energy and kind of cause us not to manifest as quick as we want and kind of act as blockages in our lives. So there are 8 things that you can easily get rid of and that we all usually have, and you know, they're hard to upkeep. You collect these things as you live. So it's totally fine if you have these things in your home. I have them in my home. It's just something that you have to be aware of mentally so you can keep cleaning them over and over and over. So let's just get started with the list I made for you guys. And this is something that I've been doing for years, so I truly believe in it. Number 1 is empty bottles. So what I mean is like hairspray bottles, empty spice jars, empty rice jars, empty perfume bottles. A lot of times we just keep empty bottles, and honestly you neglect these things. These are just taking up space in your home and they're not doing anything. So go around and clean any like empty thing you have in your house that doesn't serve any purpose and just takes up space. And in the art of feng shui, when you have something that feels neglected laying around, it radiates negative energy and you don't want that. So get rid of everything that's empty and everything that's old that you actually don't use. And that leads us to our second object that you leave around the house, which is unworn clothes or unworn shoes. So holding on to your old wardrobe that you actually don't use causes your mind to fog when you're trying to pick out an outfit, and it also takes up space in your home, and all those objects honestly feel neglected. So throw away everything you don't use or don't wear, or obviously donate it. Third thing that we all always have to keep up with is dust. So dust holds on to negative energy in the house. So lift up the furniture, clean under it. If there's any drawers that, you know, don't have a covering, take the drawer out, clean under it. Dust just holds on to like bad vibes. So you really just want to get rid of all dust as much as you can in your house, because when a house has a lot of dust in it, it feels abandoned. So you don't want your, is it raining? I think it's raining. So you don't want your house to feel abandoned. Fourth thing that I don't do personally in my home, but I notice a lot, yes, I'm wearing pajamas, I'm actually super intense about. I do not do this in my house. A lot of people, I would say 90% of the people I know do this in their house, and it is TV dramas. A lot of houses you walk in, the TVs are on. I honestly don't use my TVs. My husband uses the TV downstairs to play video games because he likes to play the, you know, and that's his thing. But we actually try to minimize watching shows and movies, because everything that they are saying in the TV is actually coming, the energy of all those words are coming inside your house and loading your life up with whatever energy that the show or the movie you're watching is broadcasting. So I actually don't watch scary movies. I don't watch dramatic things. And I grew up in an Arabic household, and my mom would always have Arabic drama on. And if you've ever seen Arabic drama or Hispanic drama or Indian drama, you know how negative the dialect and the dialogue of the dramas are, and it's honestly like really hard to load your body and your energy with stuff like that. So you really just want to turn off the TV as much as possible to make your home more of a sanctuary. Number 5, I see a lot of people not conscious of, which is artificial candles and artificial house detergents. So let's say you clean the dust, you don't have a lot of you know, bad clothes, and you know, you are a very clean person, but you know, just to spice things up, you usually light up a candle. And you want to be really cautious with what kind of aromas are in your house, because each aroma, each scent actually has an energy. So what I prefer to burn is sandalwood or vanilla or cinnamon or even fruits like fruit peels. I really don't love, I'm gonna diss them. I'm gonna say Bath and Body Works. I think they make the worst scented candles. They give people migraines. They cause cancer. They are actually illegal in some countries. They're actually illegal in California. So if you're all about peace and you consider yourself a spiritual person, or you know, you're the type of person that likes to keep a nice home, a lot of people in that type of vibe normally use candles. So you want to be really careful to which candles you're actually using. I don't have any recommendations besides what I actually use, which is diffusers. That's my thing. I don't love candles so much. I will keep a few around just for the, like, if I really do love a scent so much, I will buy it and like light it up here and there, but I'm super self-conscious about artificial scents in the house, from sprays to candles. Number 6, and this is the second to last, is unmaintained parts of the home. So if you have a room or a garage or a basement or your lawn, if they're unmaintained, they actually project like neglected energy again, and that causes, you know, blockages in your life, blockages in your home. So you want to make sure all the space that you can maintain in your surrounding is constantly cared of. If there's things that you can't care of, just clean them out, keep them empty, and just, you know, once in a while enter the space and maybe burn some sage or burn some things just to make it feel like you are present and that space is loved. You want everything around your home to feel loved, especially the front lawn, because that's the presentation of your home. So, you know, you want to keep your lawn, you know, with flowers, you want to put nice things around, so when you enter you feel peace right in your heart. So, and the last thing, and this is something that all women especially could be guilty of, is what we say on the phone. So chit-chatting on the phone or even texting on the phone, when you're radiating your intention, whether, you know, you're speaking about yourself or you're speaking about somebody or you're speaking words into the air of your space, you're actually, all that energy is, you know, circulating in the space. So if you're the kind of person that gets on the phone and, you know, talks about people, then that is bad karma for you, and it's actually lingering in your home. So if you do want to talk shit about people, I would say, you know, take it outside, or just don't do it at all, which is the better option. Yeah, you kind of want to keep your space kind of clean. Whatever you consume, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, or phone calls, or books, or whatever, as long as the intention in your body is grounded, you will have good energy in your life and in your home. And keeping a good space is honestly super essential for me. I cannot be productive in a negative space, so this video is really from the bottom of my heart. I've been doing all these things pretty much for as long as I can really remember. I hope this video helps you guys, and it is super important to me, so I hope that, you know, it brought some light into your life. Leave some comments below if you want any tips on anything else, and I was so actually excited to film this video. Yes, I'm wearing a hoodie up here, but I am wearing pajamas down here, so I'm super comfortable. And yeah, thank you guys. See you again. Bye bye.